Thanks.
For the sake of anti-Gina that we are waiting for, I'm just doing a recap. Maybe just to wait for anti-Gina and may say, table. First of all, raw data was given. I cannot be saying the raw data here. You get it. So I went straight and gave the figures. See, the first table is the class limits. And the class limit was 25 to 27, 22 to 24, 19 to 21, 16 to 18, 13 to 15. Then we found the range. The range is highest minus lowest. So we picked the 27, we added 0.5 to it. We picked the 30, we deducted 0.5 from it. Then we subtracted the 12.5 from the 27.5. Then we had 15. Then we left it there. We move on to the next table. And the heading is F, frequency, number of times each class limit appeared. Then we are saying that 25 to 27 is 5. 22 to 24 is 7. 19 to 21 is 14. 16 to 18 is 11. Then 13 to 15 is 3. The total for the F was 40. We put it down there because your baby binti attra to us here. Then we went to the third table. Now we are finding for X. Remember, the formula for finding mean is what? Sigma Fx. So we have to find X before we can get Fx. How do we find X? I said you go back to the first table, the class limit. You add both numbers, then you divide by 2. So 25 plus 27 was 52. Divided by 2 give you 26. So that place we had 26, 23, 20, 17, then 40. Good. Then the fourth table, we are looking for Fx. And we said that Fx means F times X. So therefore, 5 times 26 and it's 130. 7 times 23 is 161. 14 times 20 is 280. 11 times 17 is 187. And 3 times 14 is 42.
Beautiful. Total 800.
Summation of Fx. See, I have defined for mean. Mean is inside. No mean to cry. Then you come down. Formula for mean is X. X are dash dana pampem. I told you that the mean unye S dash dana pampem is standing for mean. So mean is equal to sigma Fx over n. That's the formula. Sigma Fx over n. So now you the shemu keke. Sigma Fx, it means summation. Okay. Fx ni bom ni yenyan. Jafara yenyan 800. No actual 800 na show. N stand for the total number. How will you get the total frequency? It's when you add all the words, the frequency. F no. Okay, F ni na boma na 40. It means raw data near the amount. Okay, ni na boma na 40. So it's therefore 800 divided by. So 800 divided by 40 is what? 20. So the mean for that table is 20. And then yenya mean na. Yenya mean no. Moon draw another table. Draw another table just after the Fx. Reverend, any question?
All right. I think, it's okay. I was asking, you said we would add the values under F. And then we subtract by F 800. So is the X rather?
No, we didn't subtract.
We divide.
We divided. Yes, 800 divided by 40. Same mean here. Sigma Fx over n. And n stands for the total.
Okay.
Just like when you are giving raw data, you count all of them. Here you count where will you get the total figure and then what F no. You know, F stands for frequency, stands for the number of times ages no appear total raw data that was given.
Yeah.
And it's 40. Into frequency, yes. So it's the fx over 40. Same mean formula for mean is sigma fx over n.
Exactly.
You get it? And sigma stands for summation. And when you added all the fx, no, multiply now cabo 800. So 800 divided by 40, and it's 20. Okay. So mean is 20 for this table, for this data. Okay. So I said you should draw the next table. Have you drawn the next table? Table near you are coming and sans and you are seeing it to me variance.
Okay.
My draw the next table. They had the mean. The heading is mean, and I told you that the formula, the simple for mean is x dash dana pampem. Some say x dash dana pampem meboa. Into no montro x dash dana pampem. No montro 20 show because any mean right 20. Into bet 20 is 1 2 3 4 5. 20 is 5 4.
Okay.
Me pam cho ya chro.
Yeah, chro. You are there.
Yeah, we are
Georgina, watch your. Okay. Then introduce the C table. Now we are going to the next table. Just for variance, look at the way we are moving. But you see, if you know how to calculate for the table, and yet they're not so good that table, not the basic shape. Formula can now call baby. You calculate now.
Pamela, sorry, but you also mean new table na they mean. And that
2020 and spelling me no. X nafa dash is na pampem. That's the formula for the symbol for mean. X with dash at the top.
Okay.
Then write 2020. But the mean for all of them is 20. For that is 20. So 2020 will. Have you written it?
How many 20s, please? I think I'm a little confused.
It's not a
you
new
write 520. Each class,
yeah. The next column after x, it's x.
The next column.
Okay.
And not say x that's done a pempem. And so here next column x that's done a pempem. That's mean. Then you write 20, 25 times in line with the others that are also 5 in the row.
Oh, okay.
Good. Good. Because we've calculated it already. Your calculation will form into your represent. The reason you are writing is that you are going to use it to do another calculation. Into so because the be juma. What I say. Now we are going to the next table, Reverend. Let's add another table. Let's draw another table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are on the 6th table. Antigena Mundro table, Mufa table back was count.
Okay, table and they'll confuse you, no column, another columm.
Sorry.
Sorry. That was so confusing.
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
Therefore, dear, we dear. Yeah, I like Ginny. Mufa column back on count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the column they count? That column we know. Head they know. X minus mean. Munim X no. Muko column na etomi ensana. Once na X. Intumutro sa X ni bio. Minus mean. So it's a munim mean formula. And so
X,
X
the X with the bar.
Yes. So you write just only one X minus X with the bar. Please, and you know me ati asesa. Auntie Jenna. And jobe ko da binche wati. Yeah, jobe ko akoda ka ga ku peni yako. My main friend, and that's over there. Cecilia, they make one class. Maybe I'm too much. That column. Auntie Irene, what was our column? X minus X abadana.
Okay, X minus mean. Okay.
X star by. So it's just the X minus mean. So somebody should do this calculation for me. Obinka first answer in China. Because X no table so mean to a table so into my first class man
15
slow hey no 6 Reverend
when
you go to
one is 6
Reverend and then mommy got that home anointing one said, Reverend, so for table no the first class no, the 25 to the 27, the X was 26, was it not 26?
Yeah.
So it was 26 minus 20. 26 minus 20, and it's 6.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The next one is here. The next one here.
It's three.
Good.
Yeah.
Next one here.
And then that is zero.
Zero. The next one will be zero.
Zero. Then negative 3.
The next one again.
Negative 3.
Negative 6.
We have
it's funny. 6. You see, when you are subtracting the mean from the x, you see that you start on the positive, you go 0, then you come to negative. And assume you say plot to a graph or plot to a graph or x axis, y axis. Into one so back for plotting 3 and 6 our positive side,
Yeah.
For plot to a negative side. We are not more the curve, some more draw slope view, some more draw. And also soon send it here. Come on, yeah, I'm the draw drum. I'm like a jet, and they do a jet.
We a jet.
And so miniku me giddy.
No problem.
No, madam, auntie didn't say.
Oh, Pamela.
Auntie, Mummy, column back on count way. Mofa column back on count. Mofa column back on count. This column, ne head any x minus mean square. It won't be a bracket. Number 4 x minus the mean square. So if you see Reverend, the variance formula in the area how you read number can equation.
Yeah.
In with the next table, no.
Yeah.
The next column, no. X minus mean no square. So the square root can never count. Me pam chomatro.
Yeah, so we repeat the same.
It means it to be yes. It means it.
The raised to the power 2.
Raised to the power 2. 2. More the 2 best one. Auntie Aren when.
Yeah, but Pacho 2. No, is it outside the brackets or it's within the brackets?
Outside the brackets. Outside the
so
brackets.
Everything
it means
squared.
You are squaring everything. Yes.
Everything okay.
So right now the square root of 6 because the next where we came before we get there. Good. So 36. Now move the can into us way.
36.
So you are just squaring.
Yes.
So it's 36.
9.
36. Then what again?
9 0.
Pamela, but I want to bobo. Pamela, but I want to bobo.
Miss say next column there.
Yeah. Pacho,
next
so
column.
You're getting everything. Okay. So whatever we got times, okay, squared. Okay. I now get
yes,
it.
It's so whatever you got, you are just multiplying it the same thing twice, square of it. That's the next table. Just x minus mean squared. So you can see that the table that we moved before we came here, at the end of square. So the square of 6 is what? 36. 6 times 6, 36. 3 times 3, 9. 0 times 0, 0. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Negative 6 times negative 6, positive 36.
Wow.
Okay.
Are we all there?
Exactly.
Yes.
Are we all there? Jafara, Medro.
Yes, we are there.
Now let's have the last table. The last table.
A column.
And you know what we are going to. The last column. The column where they have me. Samika table, I'm going to make column where no. The mutro se siano. The mutro se siano. Monfa F keke kodi nenim.
Okay.
F keke kodi nenim.
Okay, so
F
the
add F back the of me. So just write F at the top. So F bracket open, X minus mean bracket close, all squared.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes,
we've seen it. Yes.
Auntie Irene, when?
Why?
How they have intimate parameter. Obinya first one, mommy. Only the square for X minus mean. Someone say 36. And yes, if for F and multiply, F coming there in mass. So who they multiply F look table na F na for multiply sa at the end. So you go and multiply when you
5 times 36.
The table. The table now.
Times 36.
You say
180.
Good. 180. 180.
Say,
And the next
180,
number
okay.
Yeah, 180.
So
7 times
then
9.
the next number 9.
7 times 9. 63.
63.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
14.
Then what again? 0.
0.
0. 0. 0. And quite the NC 0. 0. 99. 11 times 9. 99. 3 times 36. 108.
Times 36. Yes, please. 108. Okay.
Me pamcho mama mi total no I. Mama mi total no.
Okay.
I want the total for that one.
Okay.
180 plus 63
plus 0 plus 9 plus 1.
I'm having Zoom
Australia,
class.
450.
400.
400.
Zoom class. I'm coming.
450.
I'm coming. Hello. Yeah, it's 450.
Yeah.
So the total is 450. Are we all there?
Yes, please.
Now, let's go back to the formula for the variance. I told you that the formula for sample variance, said told us that the sample are the legible people that you are dealing with. Into sample, Mukai say S square is equal to Mukai.
Yes, please.
Sigma F.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Sigma F bracket open me. Into right now, they also know and they are calculating our last table. They also know
450.
So S good into S2 no is equal to 450. Because there was one in 450. No matter I say.
Yeah.
Therefore, amunya matter I say.
Please, Pam, Pacho, what formula is mine?
Yeah, S square. S raised to the power 2. Is equal to
S for snake.
S for snake. Sigma F bracket open X now small one B1 in chenkeke minus mean no yeah S that's what the straw bracket close all squared over n minus 1. Bamchomen interest and the figures need bad decision. And I may say there was running in an any aya 450 and Bamchania and and bracket S man. Then over no the over ne bar number. What the bar ne bar? Sesiano number ni frequency total number and say 40 me Bamchomo can say 40. N stand for the total for all the raw data, the number of frequency, the number
Okay.
Each a candidate or raw data is 1. 450 divided by what?
450 divided by 39.
And I've tell you where we got the 39 from. Yes, the 40. The n will be the 40 total. No, total of the f no. Minus 1 because social formula n minus 1. Into n here 40 minus 1. What's 1 through 40? Maybe 39.
39.
So it's 450 divided by. And it's what? Hello.
11.5.
Why yeah? I'm having Zoom class. So are you coming around or something? Calculate this what is wrong. Are you coming around or something? Anyway, we've not closed though. Please, are you done?
Yes.
It's 11.5.
Yeah, 11.5.
So na anyanu ya sure. Munye ni ye, munye ni ye na nhwade.
So
And I'm
you
in
put
calculate
11.5
So,
to something
it's
something.
450 divided by 39.
450
39.
divided by 39. What's
11.5.
And
Okay,
you run 11.54.
54. Yeah, okay.
11.54. So a
54.
Okay.
5384. So you run it. So
Yeah.
it's
You run that
11.5 for
way.
Reverend.
Yeah.
To me to coins
So you round.
11.5.
run it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's my place.
So that's variance, right? That's
Okay.
variance. So that's variance for you. No. Yeah, calculate here.
Variance
Ain't
no.
Variance. As long as baby say no. Variance
no. Standard deviation. No. Listen, do you know standard deviation? Standard deviation, all the square root can be found. You square it. 11.5 for no square can no standard deviation. Into variance, no formula na matron. More for square found na no formula for standard deviation. With the standard deviation, square one now that sigma no one same now the square best shown. And that's that. Into more standard deviation.
Pamela,
Yes.
the variance is the S squared. The variance is the same as the S squared. S as in snake.
Yes, sample
Okay.
variance.
Okay, for sample variance. Okay.
And I may say formula for standard deviation. After you've written all that formula, not the square root then you the form page has become standard deviation. You get it. So like this. So this answer that you've got, when you find the root of it, the square root of it, it is 3.40, and that's the answer. So we found the variance and we found the standard deviation. So always, if you have to get standard deviation, you find your variance, and that's how we find the variance. Send me variance, you find the quantity fear. It's not easy, but you see, it's not easy, but it's not difficult. We are not the acquisition. With the figures, not acquisition. No way. You see, but the table, no table, any assembly. So come draw table, natural. The was running now. My assembly. You may forget. But don't worry. You see, we'll do more examples. And maybe if Madam comes, I will do more examples. Then we do. Because right now we find the variance and the standard deviation for a group frequency. And at our level, no, I don't think they'll give us that single one that we have 4, 1, 2, 3. That one, no, dear, I doubt. But next time we'll do example on that too. Okay. You get it? We'll do example on that. Please, I hope you are all okay with that.
Sure.
And let me give you the other formula for variance. To variance, you have 2 formulas. And my memory with the other one, maybe next time then we'll check that. That one is variance for population. And I'm saying symbol now is a kill 0 normal bad in a phantom. And now 2 was show. Then equal to sigma. But this time around, the sigma inside no is x1 minus. Hey, make trying to picture why now you be our hand so I just trying to picture. And therefore variance for population. Okay. That's the formula for variance for population. Okay. But I think maybe more we'll be doing more of the variance for sample variance. You know, when we say sample, it means the legible people that the data was collected from. You get it? Legible one. Population, there may be ghosts inside. So I think maybe more time we'll be calculating for the sample variance, which we have done.
Okay.
Please,
so please.
Are you all okay now?
Yeah. So please, what was the final answer for the standard deviation? Is it 3.4
standard
or 3?
3.40.
So was it 3.40?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Munya calculator and somebody to me. So you can just write the formula for standard deviation. Just write 3 dots, then write standard deviation, the formula. And the formula is just go and write the formula for the variance and put a big square root around all of it. And that's the formula for standard deviation.
Square root. Hey, our mouse was lacking me and a bracket.
There be square root, square root. Yeah, I say L.
Jafara, are you okay?
Square root. Hey, bracket.
Yeah, because you get 3 points.
Me a square.
39 something.
3 points for 39 something. So when you run it,
so you round it. Okay.
Hey, sister, arrange the more calculator down there more.
I'm with my phone.
Hey,
the calculator.
Okay. So I think at least we know how to calculate for range, how to calculate for sample variance. Is that not it? And we know how to calculate for standard deviation. All that you have to do. Me, this is what I've been doing every day. Reverend